All right. Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Pauline Fu. In this video, I will demonstrate skills and knowledge presented in Excel Module 6, creating, sorting, and querying a table. So objectives covered include create and manipulate a table. Use Vlookup function to look up a value in a table. Create criteria and extract ranges. Apply database and statistical functions. I will doing a demonstration for Excel Module 6, Project 1. And this is the instruction files. You are asked to download instruction files and data file from my tab. Okay. After you download these two files, you save. So for Excel file, click File, Save As. I will save in Content folder. So the file name _2. And make sure you have your name displayed in cell B6 in documentation sheet. So just double check this is being recorded. You are sharing application. Yes, it is recorded. All right, so do step 1. So step 1 asks you to switch to system sheet. So this is the system sheet. And select A1 to H9. And format the range as a table. Format the range as a table. So you go to table. Table style media. Go to Home, try Home tab. It is under Home tab, Format as Table. And you are going to use which style? Table style, media 14. Media 14. This one here, table style, media 14. Where is the data? Let's click OK. And now use systems table as the name of the table. So this, instead of table 6, you type in systems table. That is the step 1. Convert a range into a table and format the table. Step 2. You are asked to switch to census worksheet. Census. This is census worksheet. And add a new record at the end of census table. So add a new record here, starting from here. Oops. So this is the data on the top of this Word document. Census ID S487. API humidity sensor. Yes, yes, no. Cost is $5.50. Step 3. Sort the census table from smallest to largest by the cost field. So click the down arrow key on the cost field, and then sort ascending. Then close this button. So the cost is sorted in ascending order. Step 4. In census worksheet, still the same worksheet, display sensors that are compatible with the fish chip suite systems below the census table data. So you are asked to display data here. Use advanced filter to copy all the records. Advanced filter. So go to data. Not here, maybe from the table. Advanced filter. U. Not here. Not quickly out. Data. So under the data, you have advanced filter. Okay. From A1 to F15. Check the instructions here. Advanced filter to copy all the records with the fish chip suite systems from the census table into a new range as described below. Enter yes into cell E19 to set up the value for the filter. So I'm going to cancel this first. Do part A, enter yes in cell E19. Type in yes. Press enter. Okay. And then in the advanced filter, use the range A1 F15 as the list range. A1 so it is A1 to F15 as the list range. Criteria range is A18, F19. So A18, F19. and then copy to A21, F21, unique records only. This select copy another location. You can select here. So select run A21, F21, or you can type in A21 column F21. You're going to see here, copied here data. Click OK button. So step 5, switch to the displays worksheet. This is displays worksheet. Apply wrap text to the range E1 to G1. So select E1 to G1 first. Under the Home tab, wrap text. Step 6, remove the duplicate record in the displays table. Remove the duplicate records. Click anywhere in the table. Go to the data. Remove duplicates. Table view home. Data view. Review. Not review. Data. Remove duplicates. Table. Yeah, it is under the table here. Remove duplicates. Okay, then remove duplicates. Close the button. Step 7. Want to highlight displays in the table. Filter the table to display only those records with a type column value of LED. So go to the type, and filter only with the value LED. So you only select LED. So that is step 7. Step 8. The beginning of the year, make a bulk order of cases for each system that sells. Xavier wished to show his sales associate a snapshot of the number of cases that were ordered, sold, and are available at the warehouse for each chip ship system. Xavier already sorted the table containing this data. He just needs to insert subtotals in the table. Switch to cases subtotal worksheet. Cases subtotal worksheet. Convert the table into a range. Click anywhere in the table. Convert to a range. Go to data. Convert to range. Go to the Home tab. this under the table, then convert to range. Okay, click yes. Okay. So convert it to range. Switch to convert to range. That is step 8, step 9. After converting the table to a range, insert subtotals into the range A1I24. A1I24. Going to see column I. Using following options, subtotals should be inserted at each change in the system capability value. So subtotal, okay, into range. Subtotal. So click anywhere in this table. Go to data and then subtotal. At each change in system compatibility value, each change in select system compatibility, the subtotal should use the sum, and subtotal should add 2018 inventory, cases sold, and the case available. And the subtotal should replace current subtotals and include a summary. Click OK button. So you created this effect. Step 10. Cyril wishes to highlight some additional data on the case solved by Fish Chips Electronics. He first wants to identify how many options are available for each type of case. Switch to Cases worksheet. Cases worksheet. And then do step A. In cell C2. In cell C2, use count if to count how many unibody. So typing equal count if, and the range is body type here. This is the range. Criteria is unibody. Unibody is the criteria, or you can manually type in unibody. And now B, do the same thing to count how many two pieces is. Equal count if the range is from here D8 to D30. This is the range, and then criteria is two pieces, or you manually type in two pieces. Last one to count how many compact, equal count if range from D8 to D30. This time I will manually type in contact. I have to use quotation mark. Oops. Contact. No. See, I spelled wrong. Should be single T. Contact. Step 11. Determine the total number of cases for each body type. Step A, in cell E2. Enter a formula sum if some range argument is a body type. Okay, so range is body type from D8 to D30. So that is the range. Criteria is a unibody. So type in quotation mark, closing quotation mark, and the sum range is cases solved. Here, cases solved. Closing bracket. We did step A. Step B. In cell E3, sum if range is body type, and we are going to sum pieces, 2 pieces. But this time I'm just going to type in this one as a criteria, 2 pieces. You can manually type in quotation mark 2 pieces, and then cases solved. Okay. Now cell E4, do the same thing to count for compact. So equal sum if range is body type. Criteria is compact. Sum range cases solved. Closing bracket, enter. So finished step 11. Step 12. In the range H8 to H13, H8 to H13, 30. In this range, create a new icon set conditional formatting. So go to Home, conditional formatting, and use icon set. Use icon set, and then not quick new rule. and then use icon set. So use this three sign icon. The criteria is display green circular icon when the number is greater or equal to 16. So select number greater or equal to 60. Use green circular icon. And then display yellow triangular icon when greater or equal to 25. When number greater or equal to 25. That's it. And the rest automatically is the red diamond. Click OK button. So those C becomes an icon. Okay. Step 13. Apply a custom sort on multiple fields to the cases table. Which one is the cases table? So this is the cases table. Okay. So that the table is first sorted by the system compatibility in descending order, and then by body material in ascending order, and finally by body type in ascending order. Okay, so multiple sorting. Click anywhere inside this table and sort and filter, custom sort. First sort by system compatibility. So select system compatibility in descending order, Z to A, and then click the plus sign, then sort by body material in ascending order, and finally click Add button, sort by body type in ascending order. Click OK button. Okay. And step 14, add a total row to the cases table. So add a total row to cases table. We need to add a total row to cases table here. And now the data. Subtotal, total row, home. This is the not this one. And the total button. Total button. not subtotal. Maybe the table. It is under the table. So just click total row. So I added total using total row display sum of 2018 inventory in cell G. B, C, D, E, F, G. This is 2018 inventory. Click the down arrow key. Select sum. Step 15. Upon review of the cases table, Saria noticed the cases available column needs to be added to the table. So add a calculated column to the case table as described below. In cell I7, enter the text cases available. Then in cell I8, use formula to calculate cases available. So equal to inventory minus cases sold. The data automatically filled. Use tables total row sum. So to calculate sum, so step 16, we are going to use Vlookup. In cell H3. Is this the same table? Or switch to packages worksheet. So this is the packages worksheet. Step 16, use packages worksheet. And then in cell H3, Vlookup function to determine the type of system included. So equal to Vlookup, opening bracket. Lookup value is J3. So lookup this value. Lookup table is G7 to H12. G7 to H12. And a comma. And then column index 2 means the second column in the table. So step 17, in cell H5, Vlookup. Okay. So equal Vlookup. Lookup value H2. H2 is the lookup value. Okay. And then packages table. Packages table is the table array. So where is packages table? here from A1 to D22. This is packages table. And column index is 4, means we are looking at the fourth column of this table. Right. Step 18. Saria wants to highlight the number of packages associated with the latest iteration of the fish chip system. In cell H16, we are going to use database function dcount. D stands for database. Okay. So typing equal D count dcount. What is the database? A1 to D22 is the database. A1 to D22 is the database. And field system ID is the field. System ID is the field. You can manually type in system ID. And then criteria H14 to H15. H14 to H15 is the criteria. Okay. So that's it. H16. I get H16. I got this number here. I did the D count. Okay. Next in H17, this one here. H17, do the database average function. Determine the average cost of fish chip 3 Model C plus package. So type in equal D Vlookup. D average. Database A1 D22. Database field system ID. So manually type in system ID. And the range is H14 to H15. H14, H15. So this is database functions. That's all for Excel Module 6, Project 6. In summary, this module demonstrates how to create, manipulate a table, use Vlookup function to look up a value, use icon sets with conditional formatting, sort a table in multiple fields, apply database and statistical functions. Thank you so much for your time. Good luck.